for any ATA for aha Ghana to now did say Opuni ni case ni there. A lot of people are fed up because almost a check. And by this time, no, it was a case, no, yeah, the final judgment, Opuni case, yeah, but say, yeah, betting to move former Cocoa Board CEO, yeah, they put board and say, causing financial loss to the state, and semi the court, but then some fertilizer being in a kika na Ghana for air say by now, dear. Now court area and to still no or mother sorry now one of the updater or mode apa efa eye opuni ni case ni ho ene say case no omo koso ye omo tina case ni so court omo hwe at the end of the day no metimi enya fair judgment e dia mo bia true evidence in the omo de baba. Now during this no say Opuni ni lawyer any omo nkaka ho no I then file stay of proceeding e dia court say case now omo try no omo e do stay for some time then some may continue later or say them but for now they want to halt the proceedings, so that is what Opuni lawyers no e the try e ma court now. So in some can say court overrule some motion ya Opuni lawyers no I the actually say court overrules Opuni motions to stay proceedings. This case has been then overruled, and as an application I have filed has been then overruled by court. Instead, the High Court in Accra overruled a motion seeking to stay proceedings in the ongoing trial of Dr. Stephen Kwabena Opuni, a former chief executive of Ghana Cocoa Board. Dr. Opuni, who is standing trial together with Mr. Siedu Agongo, a businessman, for allegedly causing financial loss to the state in a fertilizer deal, has filed an application at the Supreme Court to prohibit the trial High Court judge from conducting proceedings. His counsel, Mr. Samuel Kujo, told the court presided over by Justice Abuaje Tando that his client filed the application at the Apex Court because of the likelihood of bias against him by Justice Tando. Into the thing some bias be say court said Odia Semno to one direction, which is obviously against Opuni into Oma application to stay the proceedings and also to look into the matter. However, the prosecutor, Mrs. Evelyn Clinton, a chief state attorney, opposed the motion to stay proceedings. So it has been then stayed. She argued that the mere filing of motion for stay of proceeding does not operate as stay. Wow. Okay, so Mrs. Clinton told the court that the Supreme Court had ruled that the High Court is not barred from hearing a matter just because there is an application before the Supreme Court. It's almost say the fact or mature Ediakwa Supreme Court does not mean say a High Court or they would stay the proceedings just like that. That does not mean Afene was say Omunso at the Supreme Court would have to look through the case and some until then they can't stay proceedings in court. So I said the case has been then adjourned to December 5th for continuation. So the Cocoa Board trial had dragged on for more than 6 years. Of course, this case at 6 years, more than 6 years at because I think that was the time Mahama War Office was in these years. During those times, Justice Clement Jackson Onyenuka, a retired Supreme Court judge, was the first trial judge until he went on retirement. So just imagine. See, the case docket was later assigned to Justice Jima Wedi, who at the outset decided to conduct fresh trial because of what he considered as suspicions and allegations. Until first judge, so went on retirement. Then the second judge, and also wanted to start this case afresh because of suspicion. And then Justice Wade was subsequently transferred, and the case was assigned to Justice Abuaje Tando. One case, 3 different judges and Etna case. Before then, the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Ꞇꝋurt appealed the decision of Justice ready to conduct fresh trial and later in a ruling. A 3-member panel of judges overturned the decision to start the trial afresh. Of course, 6 years and they want to start the trial afresh. And as a case, your movie, and yes, and for 3 stood up and said no, they wouldn't let the trial start afresh. Until in March 2018, the Attorney General charged Dr. Opuni and Agongo with 27 counts for allegedly engaging in illegalities that caused financial loss of 271.3 million Ghana cedis to the state, where the ISA at force in case here and led to the distribution of substandard fertilizer to cocoa farmers. I say at force on also the case here. Yes, ambulance cars your makoto ba o car when you guys away ambulance car unji no so yeah this war causing willfully, I know there's abroad from me paper, willfully causing financial loss to the state. See, Agongo is alleged to have used a fraudulent means to sell substandard fertilizer to cocoa board for onward distribution to cocoa farmers, while Dr. Opuni is accused of facilitating the act by not allowing Agongo's product to be tested and certified as required by law in Title 4 and no NHS and also win some baby 80 motion now in Kofi Opuni no lawyers no either are filing no yes is a motion no or my there or my two either egu say and ya dear Mubema yes a motion or must stay proceedings it is still now or more to a year proceedings no so court until we say at the end of the day no kata crying there by next year now Opuni case no either ye no be a final ruling on that. Enti ye kwa insamfu from my saying EC serves notice to conduct assembly election in ʍaweats Grand District on December 19th. Enti and also everyone says EC and also the Ghana of Wenya Brennepa. See, I see the Electoral Commission has served notice to conduct assembly elections in ʍaweats Grand District on December 19th. ʍaweats for should watch over and more have conducted assembly elections. Oh, yes, this follows the passage of the constitutional instrument that allows the commission to conduct the exercise in the district. The elections management body said. I say it will be recalled that nominations for the 2023 district level elections were not received in the ʍaweats and the Guan district on the 16th and the 17th of November 2023, as was the case in other districts. So you see the EC in a statement issued. Also, nomination forms may be obtained free of charge at the ʍaweats and then the Guan district offices of the Electoral Commission or on the website of the Electoral Commission. If you're more interested, you should go and pick forms free of charge. So you see completed nomination forms must be delivered in quadruplicated by either the candidate or the proposer or seconder, together with 2 copies of recent postcard size photographs. See, that is the requirement of near a other bodies. In terms of for they are so at near so ʍaweats any one district forms needed as EC Akano is free of charge. All of all interesting enamidu AC Ghana to for comment no ewu ke me fefefe comment section na menje bre enkenkan enye de emfa emam Ghana to na emamodofo snowy me na metina say ede nsem no emprem sisi ade makam.